Hello, my name is David Green. I've been trading in the markets for a little more than 30 years now, and I worked on a Florida stock exchange for almost 20 years. First, I want to say how happy I am to have hooked up with Investopedia to bring you this day trading course. In this course, we are going to learn everything from the absolute basics of the stock market, language of the stock market. Then we're going to talk about the psychology of the stock market, which is going to be the most important thing in this video that we talk about. Then we're going to go through our technical analysis and learn exactly how, when, where, and why to make our trades. So let me just tell you a little bit more about me. I started working on the Florida New York Stock Exchange in 1983 as a squad or a runner. And I used to take messages back and forth between the brokers and the booths. Here you can see a picture of me. This is right at the end of 1999. And I was a specialist broker, and I was trading a stock called Best Buy, which is still traded to this day, by the way, only it's all electronic now. Over the course of my 16 years on the Florida New York Stock Exchange, when I started as a squad, I ended up being what we call a specialist broker. And as you can see by my happy face here, I ended up retiring about 6 months after this picture was taken. And I've basically spent the last 17 years day trading for my own account and teaching people how to day trade. So whether you're a college student who maybe is looking to earn a little extra income and learn a skill that you can take with you for the rest of your life, or maybe you're a retiree who wants to fill a few hours of their day and earn some extra income, or maybe you fit into the category that I'm in. I am a day trader, and that's what I do for a living. This video will put you well on your way to becoming a successful day trader. And we're going to do it in an easy to understand and non-intimidating fashion. So let's get started.